Hi, today I'm gonna start with putting on my foundation. No, actually, no, I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow. I already put on like eyeshadow primer, like over here. I tried to avoid like the area, like the inner corners. And I already primed my face with NYX Poreless Primer. So yeah, I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow. I'm not really sure what look I'm going for, but I'm gonna just, you know, figure it out as I go. All right, so let me zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna put on like a light eyeshadow all over my eye. I think I'm gonna begin with, 1 minute, I gotta get my okay, so I'm gonna start with like light color all over my eye, and I'm gonna begin with the light color here. And I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. It's a really matte color. And if you know, you need to know the exact name of it, I can put it down below, but it's, yeah, it's desert sand. But if I forget to say what it is, just let me know down below and I will definitely get back to you and let you know what I'm using. So yeah, I'm putting that like all over my lid. And then I kind of want to do like a kind of everyday, not too much. So I'm gonna go back in with same palette, but I'm gonna go in with amber right here. And I'm gonna put that on the outer V. Not the outer V, but like the outer corner, like right here. And I'm bringing it up to my brow bone. Not my brow bone, but like my eye socket, like right here, the lower half. And I'm gonna repeat that right here. It is really pigmented, so I'm gonna have to brush that out. Yeah. So I blended that all out to my liking. And I always try and bring it down a little bit. I don't know why I make that face. Take a little bit more of the lighter color and put it here. I'm looking in the mirror, so that's why I might be like looking away, but yeah, so I'm just putting that back in because I can tell a little bit of it got washed out. Yeah. And then blend it. I'm blending them in together. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with smaller brush, and I think I'm going to thinking, no, but yeah, I'm gonna put like a little bit of a shimmer in there. So I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with Angelic. Right here. And I'm gonna put that in right here on the lid. Now I'm gonna bring it down below with a smudge brush by e.l.f. And I'm gonna place it right here, only here. Actually, the whole lower lid. And in the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go back in with Eden. That color right there. Was it? No, Amber. I think I was using Amber, right? So then I'm gonna put that in the outer corner underneath. Oops. Okay. I do want the portion over here to be more like a natural, like closer to my skin tone. So I'm gonna go in with a brown color from MAC, like a kind of brownish tone right here. And I'm gonna tone it down a bit over here to make it look a little bit more like my tone, my skin tone a bit. Only the portion over here. I blend it a little bit with the lighter color from the palette. I mean, technically I could use my face powder for that part too, but for this part, but whatever. Now, I'm just gonna smudge the liner a little bit because I didn't get it exactly how I wanted it to be. So I'm gonna take like an angled brush, kind of like that, and it's stiff a bit. So I'm just gonna gently smudge and line it up how I want it to be. I'm gonna take a Q-tip and clean up any area that I don't like or that, you know, needs to be removed. Around the outer corner. I'm going back in and reapplying the eyeshadow underneath my eye to make sure I can still see it. From Huda Beauty, and I had Angelic. Cleaning up any fallout. Effects. Number 60. And yeah, I'm gonna put that on right now. I'm gonna put it on with my brush. Well, I'll put it on directly, and then I'm gonna use my brush. So you definitely want to take your time and make sure you tap that into the skin, and that you're not missing any parts anywhere, and that everything is blended out very smoothly. I do want to apply a bit of concealer. So yeah, I'm going to apply the Lasting Finish Breathable by Rimmel. I'm going to apply only like a little bit to wherever I feel like I should. I'm going to apply a little bit of contour with a medium brown color. I'm naturally darker like around my lower half, so and I'll put a little bit on my nose, like a little bit, a tiny bit here. Powder highlighter, Shimmering Skin Perfector. Yeah, I'll open it. I used it before. It's like a nice shimmering, like golden type of shimmer. And now I feel like I should add a little bit of blush. Yeah, I'm gonna add color right here, and maybe a little bit so I'm gonna mix those two. I'm just applying clear mascara from Maybelline for my eyebrows, and I didn't put on my mascara, so I'm going to be putting that on right now. It's CoverGirl Lash Blast. By Carol Baker Visage. It's a lash extender. And you need to put another coat of mascara. And it definitely makes your eyelashes a lot fuller. So now I'm gonna be putting on really, I'm gonna put on my, okay, so now I'm gonna be putting on my lipstick. I have a combination of things here, but I'm probably gonna start with a lip liner. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this color right here. It's NYX in number 18. Yeah, so here I am. I'm done for my look. I am happy with what I've done. I used a combination of makeup, some that I've never used and some that I have, and I'm feeling it. I think, you know, it's a pretty look, playful look that you can wear on a date or like every day, you know, by toning it down with maybe the shade of lip color that you're wearing. But overall, I am happy. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed my tutorial today and that you enjoyed my makeup. If you have any questions about what I used, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I will be rolling out some more makeup tutorials since I really do love makeup and I love sharing with everybody. So thumbs up if you like, and I will see you in my next video.